Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the secondary air pump fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, stay with us, we'll need to check multiple components today. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can practically save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. Guys, the secondary air pump fuses relays come. We'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us, guys. There will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you a wall of money, guys. And what we need to do now, we need to open the hood facing the engine, guys. On the right side, that's the driver's side. You see, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have one clip here, one there. Squeeze these tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what do we need to check here specifically? Let's explain now. Multiple components, okay, specifically will need to be checked for that. Okay, and starting here, we need to first check fuse number 10. Now, depending on the engine, model, year, you may not have a secondary air pump, or you may have only some of the fuses or relays. So, don't freak out, guys. But if you have one, fuse number 10, right here, will need to be checked, guys. Next, you will need to check fuse number 19. For any of you having that, guys, you're going to have a fuse right here that will be known as fuse number 19. Our specific engine didn't come with the air pump for the emission regulations. Then we need to check relay 56. If you have it, it will be right here that you need to check, and also relay 70. Okay, right there. Now, not all engines will have secondary air pump, but if you do, those are the components that you need to check, guys, if you have problems with the air pump not working. Guys, now, one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.